Hey, what's up, guys and girls? It is Belia K-pop, and today I'm here with something a little different. It is not a K-pop reaction video. I actually received this in the mail today, shipped all the way from the wonderful South Korea, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside of it. So let's get into this unboxing. So this took about, I think, roughly a week to get here, which is pretty fast considering it's shipping from Korea, but I mean, I did pay a pretty hefty price for it, so, well, not hefty, but a good price for it. And the item in Korea doesn't cost as high. Isn't listed as like really expensive. Like, I'll show you what it is here. See, $17.64 is what it costs in US value, so it wasn't really that expensive, but because I bought it on eBay, then obviously it's going to be expensive. There's the box. Here's another box. Let's open this to unveil what is in here. I was really excited to get this, actually, so set that aside. And here it is. Voila! It is the Monsta X official Lightstick. Yes, yes, yes. Look at this beautiful box. So beautiful. Okay, so if you guys don't know, obviously, I am a big Monsta X fan. If I had to say two of my favorite groups, female obviously is Mamamoo, as everyone would guessed, and male is Monsta X. These are my boys. I love them. They are my favorite group. So now I gotta figure out how to open this thing. But this is what it looks like. So it says Monsta X up here, and it says for Moonbay official Lightstick right there. And it's got the little Monsta X on the bottom, starship right there, and yeah, little gold. And it says Model 1 Monsta X official Lightstick. Okay. So, let's see how we shall open this. I can figure out how to open it without ruining the box, please. Okay. I got it. And one of the big reasons why I got this Lightstick is not just because I'm into Monsta X and everything like that, but it's because I am going to the Monsta X concert in Dallas, their beautiful tour, on the 19th of July. So, oh, I'm so excited. I will see my boys live. So that's exciting. So here it is out of the box. See that? Take that off there. Put this beautiful box in the background. And here it shows you kind of what the battery setup is. These are probably AAA. Seems like, because this is small. And then, yep. Shows you that. And it gives you like a little strap for the hands, which is good. Because, you know, when you're like, I don't know, waving this in the air, you don't want it to go flying anywhere and breaking or something. But here's the product itself. Pretty sweet. So it's got like the Monsta X logo inside there. You guys can see how beautiful that is. And then it says Monsta X on these spots right here. Let me show you. A little rim right there. M-O-N-S-T A and an X. Pretty sweet. Yeah. Let's get the battery there. And of course it needs the batteries in there, so and here it says to twist it open on the bottom. And I'll place this here because I don't want to put it on the ground. So, and then it looks like it needs 3 batteries, 3 AAA batteries. So let's get those. Okay, so I'll just put them in here like this. Just like so. Put it back into here. That. And we'll just close this on it. Okay, let's test to see what it looks like. Ready for the moment of truth? Ooh, it's so pretty. So pretty. And it's got like a kind of a, I don't know what you call it, like mixed colors in there. Can't see really well, but it's like green and pink and kind of bluish in there. It's really pretty. So it looks from the top. Let's push it one more time. Oh, and then it flashes. You push it one more time. So 2 times for a flash. And 3 times for a 2 times flash. So you'd be like, whoa. And that's it. So it's got three different modes. So you got the normal one if you just want like a solid color or solid light. You got the second click for kind of a not too fast flash, but a slight flash, and then you got the 2 times flash right there. So pretty sweet. But yeah, there it is, the Monsta X Lightstick. It's beautiful. It really is. I can't wait for the concert. It's going to be in Dallas at the Verizon Theater on July the 19th. So, which is an odd day, it's like a Wednesday, but I'm really excited for this. I can't wait. I will see them, and I will be vlogging on the day of getting some footage and everything. So, I'm excited. Can't wait. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing of Monsta X's official Lightstick, because it was fun opening and I love it. It's beautiful. Please subscribe, rate, and comment if y'all would like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.